Wembley again, Wembley again, Wembley again. Ole, ole. Let's go, boys. Let's go, भाई. Fourth time in a row, Manchester City have qualified for the FA Cup final. भाई इसका मतलब समझते हो आप? None of the English teams in their history of football has done it. किसी ने ये फीट नहीं किया. Not the great Manchester United, not the great Liverpools, not the great Preston, Weston. किसी ने नहीं किया. This is for the first time that has been done in English football. A team has qualified for 4 straight FA Cup finals. That's a piece of history for people who think City have no history. Take that, boys. Take that. Also, भाई, again, what a game in a way कि कितना खराब performance था हमारा first half, and we're going to go deep dive into as to what exactly happened in the first half and then followed it by the second half. But उसके पहले भाई, just thank you so much Pep Guardiola for making us so happy for so long. I know ज़्यादा time हमारे पास है नहीं, and I know for a fact कि this is never going to be like this once you leave, but I still am really happy भाई. And for all the City fans, let me just tell you this: we will never see these many good days ever again. तो जो भी आप लोग के अंदर है, जो प्लीज एंजॉय whatever time is left for Pep Guardiola. Do not criticize him. Do not say anything bad about him, because we know once he leaves, I don't know where we will be. But having said that, बहुत ही वाहियात performance था. Not gonna lie, in the first half it was expected. अगर आप लाइनअप देखोगे तो लाइनअप में बहुत सारे चेंजेस थे. एंटायर बैकलाइन वाज चेंज अपार्ट फ्रॉम Matthias Nunes. एंड टू बी फेयर, Matthias Nunes ही सबसे अच्छा खेला बैकलाइन में. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, बोथ Ake and Stones were doing good. जो उनसे एक्सपेक्टेड था, they were winning the duels and net. But Ait Nouri also was well in the first half और काफी बार ड्रिबल कर रहा था. बट it is again shown कि यार जब आप रेगुलर मैचेस नहीं खेलोगे तो you won't be as clinical as, let's say, the other players would be. In the midfield, I think Ryan Diaz again had a poor game, didn't do anything. First half में कुछ moments में I think he was doing well, but not up for the races, and unfortunately not good enough. Kovacic was so impressive today, so impressive. I so loved Kovacic's performance. It just looked like some international pro has come onto the field. He knew where the gaps were. He was trying to find the gaps. एक chance भी उसने create किया first half में. And again, front three अगर आप बात करोगे तो भाई, they were very poor. चाहे चर्की हो, चाहे फोडन हो, चाहे मार्मूश हो. But I have a lot of time for Marmoush. I think this has to go down as one of the worst individual performance by any player Man City this season. I'm so sorry, Omar Marmoush. What a stupid performance that was. भाई दिख रहा है कि आपको बिल्कुल आपके अंदर clinical edge नहीं है. आप पता नहीं कहाँ ध्यान है. He was not making the runs. He was not getting into the positions where we usually see Haaland. It just comes back to tell you कि कितना important है Haaland हम लोग के लिए. God forbid Haaland अगर injured हो जाए long term के लिए, बड़ी दिक्कत हो जाएगी Man City को. But there was one more criminal performer in this Man City team. That was Phil Foden. I mean, how the grace have fallen for Phil Foden. इतना poor performance Phil Foden का. There was a moment in the game where he had the ball. Usually every Phil Foden that we know from whatever years we have followed would have taken the shot. उसने शॉट नहीं लिया, उसने चर्की को पास किया जिसके सामने 4 बंदे सामने खड़े हुए थे. The next time when he got the ball in the same position and he was at the liberty to taking shot, उसने शॉट मारा तो उसने उड़ा दिया. I think that tells you कि कितना confidence का issue है Foden के साथ. He is nowhere near where he needs to be, and I hope someone from the hierarchy talks to him and lets him know why he's so important to Man City, and he can come back again. But this is 2 seasons in a row and I'm really worried about him. Because I don't think so. अगर वो फोडन के अलावा कोई और प्लेयर होता तो उसको इतनी चांसेस मिलती सिटी में. Unfortunately, he needs to now buckle up. Maybe one more season, that's it. And if he does not work out, I think we'll have to say unfortunately goodbye to him. But उसके बाद second half में again Pep Guardiola को थोड़ा सा और क्रेडिट देना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि he made right changes in right times. उसने नोटिस किया कि चीजें सही नहीं हो रही. First he brought in Doku and Savinho, and I'll talk about Savinho by the way. But before that, I have to talk about Doku. And क्या performance थी भाई Doku की, कितनी क्या brilliant performance थी. The way he जिस तरह से वो गेम का एक लेवल ऊपर कर देता है, it is beyond amazing भाई. It's beyond amazing. ठीक है, it was a scrapy goal. I would give that to people who think it wasn't a good goal. But भाई उसने at least हिम्मत तो दिखाई, उसने chances तो create किए. उसने He was the one actually who was looking the most dangerous. मेरे हिसाब से he was by far the best player. Whosoever came from the bench, by far the best player. With regards to Savinho, again, it is so difficult to choose who was the bigger donkey, Savinho or Marmoush. I'll let people decide who had a worse game. Sorry, but very poor from Savinho as well. I don't understand what he wants to do, what he tries to do. I have no clue what he does, and that would be enough of my time to Savinho. But we conceded the goal before Doku had scored, and that was a wonderful goal. Southampton played very beautifully. They knew they could not match the intensity of Man City for 90 minutes. They kept themselves very tight in a very low block. बड़ा अच्छे से defend कर रहे थे वो लोग. और जैसे ही चर्की ने ball lose करी midfield में, the one chance that they got, they scored the brilliant goal. कोई रोक नहीं सकता था उसको, चाहे वो Trafford हो, चाहे Donnarumma हो या कोच हो, कोई उसे रोक नहीं पाता. वो गोल जाना ही था. And again, it was looking like that kind of game जहाँ पर City जैसे last year Palace से हारी थी, उसके पहले United से हारी थी. It was looking like that. But भाई, I don't know what is it in this Man City team. Maybe they have this mentality thing into them where they just don't give up. And I'm so proud of the boys because we as fans had given up, by the way. हम लोगों ने give up कर दिया था, but players ने give up नहीं किया था. तो kudos to these fans, kudos to these players for not giving up. तुरंत ही दूसरा गोल लिया. And again then Nico O'Reilly ने क्या गोलाज़ो किया भाई, क्या गोलाज़ो था, मजा ही आ गया, क्या शॉट था भाई. it almost took the roof out of Wembley भाई, इतना प्यारा स्ट्रोक था, an amazing stroke. And Nico again had a good game, बट वो गोल हमेशा हम याद रखेंगे कि उसने सेमीफाइनल में साउथहैम्पटन के अगेंस्ट मारा. इट इज वन ऑफ दोज आइकॉनिक गेम्स. और क्या ही बोलूं गेम के बारे में. आई थिंक साउथहैम्पटन रियली पुट अप शो. इट इज वेरी विजिबल व्हाई दे आर 20 why they were 20 games unbeaten. They played really well. I think they defended really well, and when they got the chance they scored the goal. And unfortunately for them it was a tailor made situation. जो हमेशा हम देखते हैं क्लासिक केसेस में, जब कोई टीम इतनी अच्छे से डिफेंड कर रही है और एक गोल मार देती है, दैट इज हाउ दे सी देयर होम. बट अगेन Doku had some other plans and Doku disturbed their momentum and carried to them by. But आई एम ग्लैड दैट वी कुड मेक हिस्ट्री अगेन. एंड यही पेप गार्डियोला की खासियत है भाई. वो आया, उसने हिस्ट्री चेंज करी मैन सिटी की, उसने नई हिस्ट्री लिखी, और फिर उसने जो हिस्ट्री क्रिएट की थी उससे इरेज करके उसके ऊपर एक नई हिस्ट्री लिख दी. आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी रिकॉर्ड्स ही हैज ब्रोकन व्हाइल्स्ट ही वाज देयर इन मैन सिटी. बट आई वुड जस्ट से फॉर ऑल द मैन सिटी फैंस, दिल से बोल रहा हूँ, दिस इज द बेस्ट पॉसिबल टाइम टू बी अ मैन सिटी फैन. आई डोंट नो हाउ मच लॉन्गर वी हैव ऑफ हिम. maybe one more year, maybe not. By the looks of it, जिस तरह से चीजें चल रही हैं, जिस तरह से सब कुछ सिंक हो रही है, maybe this is the last season that we are seeing him. और बहुत बुरा लगेगा जब वो चला जाएगा हमको छोड़ करके. बट जब तक वो यहाँ पर है, let's just enjoy every bit of it. Again, eighth time in a row in a FA Cup semi-final, fourth time final. Bhai, this is some record. Bhai, even when we were shit this season, we were not that consistent. We still find ourselves into these cup finals. We always get into those positions to win trophies, and that is what you want from your club, right? आप अब यही चाहते हो कि आपका क्लब हमेशा उन पोजीशंस पे रहे कि हम ट्रॉफीज में compete कर सकें. And testament to Pep Guardiola, testament to this Manchester City mentality, bhai. They just keep giving it back to you. They could have given up so long ago, but they just didn't give up. They had that mentality कि वो come back करेंगे. वही सेम पर्सोना से उन्होंने प्रीमियर लीग अप्रोच किया, वही सेम पर्सोना से उन्होंने कैराबाओ कप अप्रोच किया, एंड उसी सेम पर्सोना से उन्होंने अब FA कप अप्रोच किया है. आई डोंट नो हु वी आर प्लेइंग, इट्स ईदर लीड्स और इधर चेल्सी, बट आई फील whosoever it is, we'll be up for it. एक और फाइनल खेलने का मौका मिलेगा. सो आई एम सो हैप्पी फॉर ऑल द सिटी फैंस भाई. बहुत खुशी है मुझे इस बात की कि हम जीत गए. नेक्स्ट गेम वी हैव टू प्ले एवर्टन अवे. अगेन पोटेंशियल बनाना स्किन है, बट स्टिल वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. मे बी ऑल आवर की प्लेयर्स वुड बी बैक एंड दे विल बी हैप्पी. दे विल बी फ्रेश गोइंग इनटू दैट गेम. एक ही बस शिकायत है थोड़ी सी कि आई थिंक वी नीड टू समहाउ वर्क ऑन आवर फिनिशिंग, क्योंकि वो बड़ी खराब है हमारी. हमने चांसेस बहुत ज्यादा क्रिएट किए. आई थिंक वी वर वेरी फॉर्चुनेट अगेंस्ट बर्नली. इतने चांसेस क्रिएट करने के बाद भी वी डिडंट कंसीड. एंड इवन इन दिस गेम when साउथहैम्पटन हमने इतनी चांसेस क्रिएट की, बट हमने गोल नहीं मारा. अनफॉर्चुनेटली फॉर साउथहैम्पटन दो बढ़िया से गोल बाद में आ गए, बट इट्स अ वार्निंग साइन फॉर मैन सिटी. वी नीड टू बी बिट मोर क्लिनिकल. अब मुझे नहीं पता वो पेप कैसे सॉल्व करेगा, बट आई एम वेरी होपफुल दैट ही डज दैट इन द गेम्स रनिंग, क्योंकि एवर्टन इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. वी ऑल नो कि वो कैसी टीम है, कितने बढ़िया डिफेंडर्स है. टारकाउस्की हो गया, उनके रॉब पैटरसन और whosoever is playing as center back, Keane or whatever. So they've got a very good Idrissa Gueye, James Garner. So they've got a good players. I don't know if Jack really should be allowed to play that game or not, but it would be good to see him if he plays that game. Having said that, I'm really happy. I am just happy and I'm content with whatever I've seen. I was a bit worried leading up to this game. जब 70 मिनट हो गए थे और गोल नहीं आए थे, फिर 80 मिनट में हमने कंसीड कर लिया. But again, I'm so happy right now, and I hope all of you are very happy. And let's just bring one more trophy home. Let's go City. Let's go. Take care.